What should we choose between the FCL and the LCL? In order to make clear about their difference, we should be clear what is FCL and what is the LCL. For FCL, it means full container loading. For LCL, it means the less container loading. If the cargoes ready to ship is big value or the price is very high, at this time we must choose the FCL. FCL will make your cargo's safety, especially during the congestion period. Of course, the shipping cost will be much higher for this situation. For LCL, this price is much cheaper. It is suitable for the cargo's not so big quantity. The volume is also very small, so it can save a lot of money and make more profit for the importers. But everything has the contract there. There is also one trap there for the LCL. It means the shipping company will not make money during the shipping process. There will be some fees, or we can say huge fees in the destination port. So this destination extra fees always in the forms of commissions and something others. That is unspoken rules, but it is really there. We cannot change it. So for the new importers, they must be sure what will happen when they pick the cargoes in the destination port.